Yo, I'm 𝐂𝐿 over here, and today I'm super excited because I have a super deal for a super good looking Honda. Now check it out. Introducing Honda Jazz RS. Fully done up for you. Very, very beautiful. Probably one of the best looking Honda Jazz in Singapore. I mean, look at this. Firstly, we got a body kit. We got real carbon fiber bonnet. We also have a bunch of other upgrades. We have Wedsport 16-inch rims with original Brembo brakes. Also, this car comes with coilovers, strut bar, and a bunch of other mods. I can't even list them all, okay? And behind, we have carbon fiber spoiler and LTA approved Tanabe exhaust. All right, so look at this beauty. This car is really fantastic. So as usual, let's see inside. Full leather interior in fantastic condition, as you can see, with beautiful stitching, black color roof lining. Look, we even have a bar over here. Okay guys, this car is properly done up, okay? And the best part, none of this thing is being the kit. When you buy it, you get it as it is. And the Depre for this car is only 11,000 plus. It's super ridiculous. Okay, and now we're going in. All right, we are inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Wow, just wow. Okay guys, I mean, look at this. Okay, let's turn down the volume. All right, so we have very beautiful flat bottom carbon fiber steering wheel. Okay, this thing is expensive. We even have pedal shifter extenders, which are also carbon fiber, very beautiful. We have carbon fiber gear knob. Okay, so cool. Oh guys, I'm telling you, this car is fantastic. Okay, if you buy it, you're gonna feel super shocked driving it. I mean, look. Okay, now that you've seen all the goodies, okay, or rather some of them, because this car got a lot of things done to it, okay? And don't worry, all the mods are legal, so you don't have to worry about passing inspection or getting stopped on the street by the authorities. So in terms of the deal, this car is selling with a brand new 10-year COE. That means you buy this car, you can keep it for 10 years, no worry one. Okay, and the Depre is less than $12,000. Can you imagine? That means all these mods, all these aesthetically beautiful accessories, you are getting for free. Okay, just now also haven't shown you this thing. Also very cool. All right, so you all know what to do. Call me. Lim Pei give you a good deal.